Hey guys. 2005 UK 1 penny coin. We've all been there. You get a handful of change, see a stack of pennies, and honestly you probably wish they were pound coins. But before you dump that worthless copper into a supermarket charity box, look at the date. If you see 2005, you're holding a coin from a fascinating bridge era in British numismatics. It's a year of massive production, yet finding one in perfect condition is getting harder by the day. Today, we're looking at why the 2005 penny is a staple for every UK collector, the magnetic mystery behind its metal, and the rare errors that could turn your 1 pence into a £20 note. Let's look at the specs. In 2005, the Royal Mint was in full swing, producing over 560 million of these little guys. The obverse. This features the fourth portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Ian Rank Broadley. You can see his initials IRB right under the Queen's neck. This portrait was used from 1998 all the way to 2015. It's a more realistic, mature depiction of the Queen compared to the versions that came before. The reverse. This is the classic crowned portcullis. Designed by Christopher Ironside, this image was a staple of British pockets for decades. Why it matters: 2005 was one of the final years this design was used before the 2008 jigsaw shield redesign. For many collectors, the 2005 penny represents the old-school look of British currency. Here is a fun experiment you can do at home. Grab a magnet. If you hold it over a 2005 penny, it's going to snap right to it. Wait, isn't it copper actually? No. Since 1992, the Royal Mint stopped making pennies out of solid bronze because the metal was becoming more expensive than the coin's face value. The 2005 penny is actually copper-plated steel. If you were to cut this koso, the 2005 penny isn't going to buy you a new car today. But it is a fascinating example of British engineering and a classic design that is slowly disappearing from our tills. Next time you get a penny, check the date. If it's a 2005 and it looks brand new, keep it. In 20 or 30 years, you'll be glad you did. Would you like me to do a deep dive into the 2008 jigsaw shield quarters and why they are so hard to complete as a set? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this look at the humble 1p, hit that like button and subscribe to join our community of coin hunters.